Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making anpan. Anpan is a Japanese sweet bread with anko, sweet red bean paste inside. It is an old-fashioned kind of bread and one of the most popular snack bread of all time. Here are the ingredients. For the dough, we use lukewarm milk, sugar, dry yeast, bread flour and cake flour, and milk powder and salt. We also add some butter. For filling, we have some homemade anko, which we have a very easy recipe for, or you can buy an already made anko package from the store. We also need some egg wash, which is not in the picture, and some black sesame seeds for topping, or you can use poppy seeds. Measuring the ingredients is very important for baking, so please make sure to see the exact measurement and complete recipe at our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. We use a standing mixer to knead the dough. Pour milk, add sugar and yeast, and then whisk well and let it sit for 5 minutes. For flour, we combine bread flour and some cake flour for lighter texture. Whisk it well. Add the flour to the milk mixture and add some powdered milk and salt and start the mixer, kneading with a dough hook, slowly at first and then set at the medium speed. Keep mixing for about 8 minutes or so and the dough will become forming a ball. And then add softened butter and knead for another 4 to 5 minutes until the butter is completely incorporated. Now take it out of the standing mixer and shape it into a round ball and place it in a clean bowl. Cover with plastic and leave it in a warm place about 1 hour. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the fillings. Make balls of anko. If you use an ice cream scoop, this process is quite easy. We will make 8 of them for this recipe. When the dough has doubled in size after about an hour or so, take the dough and deflate the gas from the dough and make an even round shape. And cut it into 8 equal pieces, about 2.5 ounces or 70 grams each. And take on each piece and form into a small ball. You can also roll it on the board like that to make it nice, smooth, round. Repeat this 8 times. And let them rest on the board like this, cover with plastic for 15 minutes. Now we are ready to do the final shape. Flour the surface and flatten a ball of dough with a rolling pin to about 4 inches or 10 centimeters round. And put a ball of anko in the center of the round and wrap with dough. Just like that. And pinch the end of the dough so that the anko is sealed inside the dough ball. And place shaped dough balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving 2 inches space between the balls. Brush egg wash, the mixture of egg with a pinch of salt, on the surface of the dough. And sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top. Leave them to double in size for about 1 hour. And bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until nicely browned. Take them out of the oven. Look at that. And let them cool on the rack. Anpan is time-consuming to make with many steps involved, but not so hard. The smell of the freshly baked sweet bread at home is making it all worth it. And the best part is, you can just eat as many as you want while it's still warm.
美味しい。美味しいね。